learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning algorithm which learns from historical labeled data and predicts future outcomes. The input training dataset includes both the input values, also referred as features, and the known output values, which are labels with the correct answers. In this example, the algorithm is given a set of training data with images of dogs, where the data is correctly labeled as dogs. You can then use supervised learning to generalize from these examples and predict how likely the image provided is a dog or not. Each machine learning algorithm has its own strengths and challenges. The strengths of supervised learning are simplicity and ease of design. However, labeling millions of new data takes time and can be a challenging task. Supervised learning algorithms are used to solve classification or regression problems. First, let's talk about one of the use cases, classification. Classification problems predicts which class or category the object belongs to. It is a process of sorting a given set of data into different classes. The output of classification are distinct values. Binary classification predicts one of the two possible outcomes. It predicts answers such as, is this email classified as a spam or not? Multi-class classification predicts one of multiple possible outcomes in problems. For example, is this movie a romantic comedy, documentary, or thriller? Some popular algorithms for classification include logistic regression, k-nearest neighbor, KNN, support vector machine, SVM, random forest, and naive Bayes. In contrast, regression problems predict a numeric value from continuous outcomes. The goal is to plot a best fit line, or a curve between the data. For example, you can use regression to predict, what price will this house sell for? Some popular algorithms for regression include linear regression, k-nearest neighbor KNN, support vector machine SVM, and random forest. However, there is no single learning algorithm that works best on all supervised learning problems.